Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to create Zengo wallet account. So in order to create or sign up for the Zengo wallet account, you just have to follow the steps. So first of all, you need to start installing the application. So for that, go ahead and open up your Play Store and type in Zengo. In my case, I happen to already install it, so I'm just going to go ahead and press the install button. Press the Zengo app, and here you need to go ahead and press the continue button. Now to start with the procedure, you just have to go ahead and type in the email address that you wish to register, and then you need to go ahead and click on the open my email button so that you could receive the information or the verification. So click on the button to confirm it. What you have to do is confirm your identity. Then you need to go ahead and create a password. As soon as you're done creating your password, it's going to ask you to verify it. So then to verify it, you have to make sure that you have your documents ready and all set. Just start taking a picture and upload it, and you should be able to completely create your Zengo wallet account. So by following the steps, you should have created Zengo wallet account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.